Hello friends, this is Sai Prakash. In the previous video, we have discussed about problems regarding color coding of the resistance. In this video, I would like to discuss about concept of series connection of the resistance. Please follow our classes regularly, and before this, please go through the previous video for the better understanding, mainly Ohm's law.
Friends, series connection of resistors concept. Two or more resistors connected end to end such that current will remain same and voltage will divide. Is known as series connection. For the series connection, I am taking three resistors. This is resistor 1. I am indicating as R1. This is terminal 1. This is terminal 2. This is resistor 2. I am indicating as R2. This is terminal 1 and terminal 2. This is resistor 3. This is terminal 1 and this is terminal 2. For finding the equivalent resistance, that is R equivalent, we have to know the basic law, that is Ohm's law. For this, please go through the previous video. According to Ohm's law, current flowing through a conductor I is proportional to applied voltage across it. From this, we will get V is directly proportional to I. This is because we will write the independent quantities on the right side and dependent quantities on the left side. So, V equal to IR by taking the proportionality constant. So, this is resistor 1, this terminal 1 and this terminal 2, this is resistor 2 and this is resistor 3, R1, R2 and R3. I am connecting it to a DC voltage source V. As it forms a closed path, the current will flow through this circuit. I am taking this as I current. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. As I told you, voltage will divide in the circuit. So, this supply voltage will be divided into three parts, that is V1 across R1 resistor, V2 across R2 resistor and V3 across R3 resistor. Voltage dropping depends on resistors and the current, and number of voltage drops depends on the number of resistors. If the number of resistors are n, then voltage drop will also be n. For finding the voltage across resistor 1, by applying the Ohm's law, we have to know the current through the resistor R1, that is I into R1. For finding V2, we have to know the current flowing through the R2, that is I into R2. For V3, current flowing through R3 into R3. This is applied voltage that is equivalent to sum of the voltage drops, that is V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So from this I know total voltage equal to I into R equivalent. This is because I am solving this circuit like this. This is R equivalent and this is the applied voltage and the current flowing through it is I. That is equivalent to, we know V1 equal to I into R1 plus V2 equal to I into R2 plus V3 equal to I into R3. From this I am taking I as common. So I into R equivalent equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. So from this II gets cancelled. So we will get R equivalent to R1 plus R2 plus R3. When we connect resistors in series, then the equivalent resistance that is R equivalent is equivalent to sum of individual resistances. In series I will be same, whereas voltage will divide.
This is Sai Prakash signing off. Please stay tuned to our channel. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video. If you have any doubt regarding the topics, please comment in the comment box or you can use the group link in the description. Thanks for watching the video, friends. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.